Hey everyone, I'm James Wang, Director of Product Marketing at Cerebras.
And I'm Jeff Bell, Senior Director of Manufacturing at Cerebras Systems.
Where are we today, Jeff?
We're at our Flex manufacturing campus in Milpitas, California, where we manufacture our AI supercomputer CS-3 system.
Amazing. Would you show us around?
Sure, come on this way.
So the CS-3 is this incredibly complex AI supercomputer. What goes into making one of these machines?
Well, first we started with what we call the pressed assembly. This is actually our Wafer-Scale Engine package assembly, which we assemble in a clean room environment. What you have here is actually our Wafer-Scale Engine integrated into a singular package assembly, which will facilitate the power and cooling downstream for assembly into the computer system itself.
Can you point to the wafer here?
Sure, you can't really see it, but it will be underneath this main board. So it's sandwiched between a cold plate and a motherboard top.
What are these gold cubes?
These are power delivery devices. We call an MCM. So each one connects to one of the 84 die on the Wafer-Scale Engine, and instead of coming from the edges, we come from the top down through these power delivery devices to deliver power right to the die.
Wow. And how much power can we feed vertically into the chip?
A total of about 26 kilowatts total into the chip. So we have to feed the power, and then the cooling plate on the bottom is mainly designed to be able to facilitate removing that heat load from the wafer.
Okay.